guys, I'm gonna show you all of my Nerf guns, and all of them are really awesome. And even these two vortex and these four and strike a light, and all of them are the end strike and two for the dart tags. And also I got something else to show you that goes with them is use these. I put them all in here for safekeeping. And this for like putting ammos in here that could help. And the ammos and so I decided that using some of like this kind of cool, and I'm gonna try something with it, like some other, like I did. What? Not pretty much. Well, bye.